what's up guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix here at the MB Quart booth, CES 2019. I'm here with Rob. We're actually looking at these really awesome new Nautic line of amplifiers. They've got some really cool top mount controls. There's great features and specs, and Rob's gonna tell us a little bit more about it.
Yep, like Allyn said, we got the top mount controls. Nice thing about this is it's perfect for when they're installed. Easy to tune up your amp to your system. It has a nice LED backlit display, so when we have it all installed, we'll have this Lexan smoke cover, and it'll make your install look really cool. IPX67, so fully waterproof, dustproof, so this is perfect for marine applications, power sports applications. We have these quick disconnect wiring here, so it's going to make it a lot easier to swap in, swap out some things, and it's perfect for your application.
Awesome. So if you guys are looking to get loud with MB Quart, you got to check them out. I do believe you guys are still offering these as well too.
We have our NA2 amplifiers. This is perfect for those like tight install applications. Perfect for like under the seat, or for if you have a side-by-side, maybe behind the dash or in a can.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we still offer these. Definitely can find those at sonelectronic.com.
All right guys, see ya.